Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google apps like Gmail, YouTube, Google Maps, or even Google Photos on your Mac. Now before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thank you. Alright, whether you're on a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any Mac, the first thing you'll need to do is open the Google Chrome browser. This method works only with Chrome because it allows you to turn any website, like a Google service, into a standalone app. It's important to understand that you won't find apps like Gmail, YouTube, or Google Maps directly in the Mac App Store. Apple doesn't offer those apps there, so we'll be creating them using Chrome. Let's start with a simple example. I'll go to the Google homepage in Chrome. Once I'm there, I'll click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, I'll scroll down to Save and Share, and then click on Install Page as App. A small pop-up will ask you to name the app. I'll just call it Google, and then click Install. Instantly, Chrome will create a standalone app version of that web page. You'll now see a Chrome Apps folder appear in your Applications folder, and the new app will also show up in your dock, just like a regular Mac app. You can repeat this same process for any Google service. For example, I've already created apps for YouTube. When I double-click on the YouTube app, it opens in its own window, just like a native app. It's fast, clean, and easy to access. That's it. This is a great way to get all your favorite Google services running like standalone apps without relying on the App Store. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.